here at the New York Chill event and for Jaguar, and we are in what I think is like a human-sized snow globe built right here under the High Line, and it's pretty incredible. It was snowing in here as we drove in the Jaguar. Pretty amazing.
Hey everyone, this is Dave Erickson on special assignment here in the Big Apple of New York City for TFLcar.com and Jaguar's announcement of its first ever all-wheel drive application for its XF and XJ models for 2013.
I've got to say, fantastic turnout. I think it's quite a unique occasion. You know, here we are having a snow dome in August at 80 degrees, with snow coming down in the snow dome for the next 3 days. And it just shows what you can do actually. It just shows that the product can be great for the summer, and as you saw in there, it can be great for the winter. So it's a big pull for people to look at what could be done there and what we've done. I think New York City is a great place to do this. Probably the capital of the world in many ways, actually.
It's a sexy, sophisticated brand. It's a great car. I love personally driving, so it's one of those great cars that you want to get the chance to drive. Tracy, who I'm presenting with here today at this event, Tracy Morgan, is a big Jaguar enthusiast, so he's teaching me all about all the different models. So I'm going to drive a few of Tracy's, because he's got a lot. I know, but I know. And then surmise which will be my version.
Well, we keep rear-wheel drive and we keep V8 engines, but now for the first time we get V6 supercharged engines with all-wheel drive. We also get a 2-litre engine in the XF that does 28 to the gallon. So we've got a wider proliferation of powertrains than we've had for many, many years. So great news for us. And then next month we've got F-Type being launched in Paris as well.
Certainly in the US, the message that we've been getting, or we got 2 years ago, was that there's a really strong demand for improved traction due to the weather and adverse weather conditions in the winter. And that really our current range of products were not really usable in those low grip conditions. So the reason we've developed the system is to provide that extra confidence and security for the customer when grip conditions are poor, but doesn't detract from the driving experience. I think the tuning side of it is really the bit that creates the character of the car. So the mechanical engineering, it was difficult to fit everything in because the platform wasn't engineered from the start, from the original inception to take all-wheel drive. So to get all of the components in was a real mechanical challenge. But I think the thing that brings the car alive and gives it its character is really the controls and tuning aspects.
And remember, you saw it here first. Until next time, this is Dave Erickson on special assignment for TFLcar.com.